Intrinsically dissolved proteins, they're famous for the aggregation and the formation of some structures like amyloid structures. So it's very difficult to hold these samples, and sometimes the only possibility could be the use of the organic solvents to solubilize these proteins. Another big challenge it's to overcome the protein degradation. As far as these proteins, they don't have the compact structure. They became easily accessible to the proteases. But this disadvantage sometimes can be overcome by the capacity of these proteins to be stable at the high temperature. For instance, like alpha-synuclein can be easily purified heating to the high temperature. I think this is the two main problems in the production of these proteins, together with all the others that also the globular proteins have. As far as IDPs, they involved in two types of interactions. The interaction with the ordered partner, and when one protein is ordered and the other one disordered, and when both proteins are disordered. So the one possibility can be to identify the molecules that can target the ordered protein to the binding site of the ordered partner. And the other one that is much more challenging itself, to target the molecule that is can bind to the potential binding site of the IDPs. In this case, it's you somehow you induce the non-native structure to overcome the function. Another possibility that can be used for the drug design is to target the enzymes that participate in the post-translational modification of the IDPs. The point that the IDPs, they are very tightly regulated, and many diseases arise from the altered availability of these IDP proteins. So one can just target these enzymes to modify the post-translational modification, and to influence the availability of these proteins. IDPs usually they bind the partner with very short motifs that became ordered upon the binding. So it's like, let's say, it's the potential binding site. It's not like in the globular proteins. It's not well organized. So it's something that you can try to predict this motif, and you can target, hoping that it's going to work. If you go just I don't know, to the PubMed and type alpha-synuclein, and you can see that the increase of the publication in last years increased incredibly. Every year the people publish and studies all the IDPs as far as they're involved in many serious diseases. So for company who produce the proteins, the recombinant proteins, I think there are a lot of possibilities to enlarge the market.